Hello friends, I'm Neil Kapoor, a people development coach and consultant providing solutions to businesses in their people development strategy. My vision is to partner with 100 business owners and HR function heads in their journey of people development by 2025. In an earlier video, I have shared some secrets to solve the talent acquisition and sourcing issues. In this video, I am sharing about leveraging new technologies, digitization, and primarily looking at AI or artificial intelligence in the HR space. Watch this video to know the secrets. As a talent acquisition leader, you need to understand that the flow of the job market is as important as is the changing candidate pool. With the COVID-19 pandemic, the overall labor pool is estimated to grow, with many businesses looking at automation. The job market will also see a transformation once the pandemic is over. The new skill set requirement around the latest technology is going to be in high demand. So what is AI? It is the branch of computer science involving computers doing what normally you would be doing. There is a fear we have about the robots or AI taking over the world as portrayed in many movies like I, Robot from Hollywood or Robot and 2.0 from the Indian film industry. The reality is quite different. Using this new technology will allow us to improve our jobs, free up our time, and engage in more strategic, people-focused programs. Artificial intelligence or AI will initially be involved in automating the repetitive tasks in which the humans are not that effective or efficient, like large data analysis to get the trends. When we talk about AI, there are three aspects which we should be acquainted with. And these three are: 1. Machine learning; 2. Natural language processing, or as we know it, NLP; and 3rd, predictive analysis. Machine learning is where the computers learn about something without specific programming. An example of machine learning is the email spam filter, which identifies spam depending upon the context or the subject of the email. Applying the machine learning to talent acquisition can help identify the candidates, both active and passive, within seconds of the job posting. This will help in saving time and providing you with the information like how well the candidate's experience matches with the job description. NLP, or the natural language processing, that is a way in which computers understand and interpret the human language. We as humans are so complex. We are not uniform and simple, and thus it affects our language. What you write, what you speak, both of these differ. The use of quotations, metaphors, and emotions, that alters the meaning of what you are saying or writing. A chatbot, for an example, should understand what you are conveying before it responds. NLP will help you in crafting better job descriptions, searching for stronger profiles of candidates, and performing the pre-screening. Predictive analysis is used to determine the patterns in big data, which helps in predicting the future. Of course, it cannot tell you what will happen, but yes, what it can tell you is what is likely to happen. Applying this technology helps in seeing the trends, which would be difficult, time consuming, and might even be almost impossible to accomplish by the humans. Using this in talent acquisition will help predict how long will it take to fill a position, or what salary and benefits are required to finalize the candidate for a position. It can also help in predicting how successful will a person be in a specific role, or how long will they stay with the organization. A good use of AI in talent acquisition is that it is capable of eliminating unintentional perpetuation and the promotion of historical biases in organizations. For example, a screening tool can be programmed to ignore the demographic factors such as age, gender, ethnic origin, etc. The probability of job applicants being objectively assessed is much higher in such a system. On the flip side, An AI-enabled automated screening may not identify the soft skills. There may be a lack of human judgment capabilities, and the onus will be on the thought leaders and the HR managers to ensure that the AI framework is free of any human biases. There is a huge shift in workforce planning in the middle of the digital disruption, industry convergence, and automation. The use of predictive analysis to model new scenarios in workforce needs and designing job roles to meet them will be immense. The use of the algorithms is better at combining complex data and in making predictions than we as humans are. Machine learning and the self-correcting nature of AI will only improve in the coming future. As a talent acquisition leader, it is important to think strategically and plan the pivotal roles in your company, now and for the future. Analyze these roles from both the demand and the supply aspect. AI can help in this as well as in predicting the future workforce needs and the supply shortfalls. Once you have these details, you can rework the strategy and develop a plan to fill in the most critical skill gap proactively. The human touch, that is very important when you make use of AI in talent acquisition for your company. When AI operates autonomously, some people interpret it as the inability of humans to control the system. This concern might lead people to react unfavorably towards it. Though, the hiring managers can address these by maintaining a human connection during the hiring process. The candidates should not feel that they are interacting with machines and not humans. When you implement AI in your hiring process, you need to be transparent with the candidates. A few pointers to clarify would include what is being measured, how this reduces the legal or the regulatory risks and lessens the applicant's anxieties. Introduction of AI will also allow for identification and correction if required. So, for example, if any bias is introduced in the system, the AI will get it corrected almost immediately. Companies implementing candidate learning about how the AI works should explain how and why AI is being used and describe the benefits of this approach, such as a better role and the organizational fit. Doing this will benefit them by using AI in their recruitment efforts, while at the same time avoid alienating any potential talent. Providing such explanations can lead people to react favorably during the selection process by making them feel more informed and feel respected. AI has already started changing the way we collect data for compensation to insights about sophisticated performance-based compensation models. It is empowering you to do more than just survey some workers to determine their motivations and engagement levels. Instead, AI allows you to analyze the sentiment available through the data points at various other locations. Maybe an example can be the workplace emails. Although artificial intelligence can vastly simplify the data processing, you must make sure your data is well structured and organized for it to be of any use. You will also need to make sure that you have the right talent on board to manage these new AI tools. Experience with automation and AI is quickly becoming a highly sought after skill set. However, it needs to be remembered that AI cannot completely replace the human element in the human resource function. HR and talent acquisition leaders need to design their strategy by ensuring that they are making the best use of their resources, empowering the recruiters with technology. To acquire the top talent for your organization, a few steps will be: 1. Rethink the job architecture in your organization. Focus on innovative approaches to the job descriptions as a first part. Then assess your current job architecture by asking questions. 1. How can AI transform this job? Or what are the new jobs or skills which are emerging? Another one can be, what are the roles which are no longer needed, or some two roles which can be combined. 2. Redesign the talent assessment by implementing an AI for quick identification of the top talent. adopting the candidate learning approach, which I had shared a little earlier, and communicating regularly with the internal stakeholders and the potential candidates to build their trust. Third, use AI to future-proof your workforce by A. Identify the key competencies and the skills required by the workforce in the future. B. Ensure the soft skills which are necessary to unlearn and relearn. That is very important. C. Evaluate the digital readiness of your workforce and then create a talent development strategy. And then comes the fourth part, to leverage non-traditional methods, like examine ways to tap new and emerging sources of talent to meet your needs. Another one can be to develop processes like some project-based contracts to explore other talent sources which are available. One more can be work on the employer brand, which is focused on the millennials' career aspirations and their desire for collaboration and learning. I'm sure that the use of artificial intelligence in your talent acquisition strategy will help you in saving time to address other strategic tasks. Like this video, comment your takeaways and share the video with your contacts to spread awareness. Subscribe to the channel Neil Kapoor and press on the bell icon for notifications around the new video releases. You can connect with me for any support required around people development for you or your organization on the contact details which are mentioned at the end of this video. I would also like to say thank you to all the business leaders who have supported me to get this video to you. So thank you and all the best.